I'm Julie Ross. I'm a mum to Cullen, who's 5 years old, and Clodagh, who's 6 months old. I'm a scientist, and I'm really keen for my children to love science the way I do. And I first heard about STEM education and the Little Scientists on Google and Facebook in the Zurich area. Well, I think it's something that's incredibly important for boys and for girls, and something that I'm very keen that my children get involved with so they have successful future careers and can interact with technology as they grow. I think science offers so much to children. I think it's really important to help them learn about the world and to explore and be curious. And so for me, getting comfortable with STEM and becoming excited by it is a really, really big opportunity. Yeah, I think STEM is very relevant. So it really helps them to focus. It helps them with logic skills. It helps them with reasoning. It helps them with building and fine motor skills. So I think there's many, many ways that STEM is important. Science and technology and engineering are only going to get more important as the world changes, as AI becomes more important. And so I think being really comfortable in those spaces is very important for them as they grow and develop at school and then eventually into their careers. In our school, the maths is a really big part of the curriculum, and engineering from the point of view of building things and creating things. But I really like the focus on maths and helping them to develop reasoning and rational logical skills. I think for parents who aren't scientists and don't have a technology background, it can feels like there's barriers. For me, I'm very comfortable with science, but technology and kind of computer skills are not my strong point, so that's harder. So I think it's great to have ways to access that irrespective of your own background. I think having easily accessible things like workshops and family days where everybody can participate, I think is fantastic. So I'd love to see more events where families can come and play, but in a way that's building STEM skills. I think that it can be really fun. So it doesn't really feel like education. It's fun, it's play, and it's about building it into children's lives. And it's just fascinating and exciting when they become really excited about science and everything that's going on in the world. And I think that's a great thing to be part of as they grow. I think it's fantastic. I think the level of concentration and focus that the children have all had through the day has been amazing, and seeing how much fun they've had doing quite difficult activities and really a real sense of accomplishment. I think that's great.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Well done, Cullen. You did your interview. Did you enjoy today? Yeah.